As a registered dietitian, you want to build an online course so that you can become your own boss, but you're not exactly sure what that looks like. In today's video, I'm going to break that down step by step. Building an online course is a fantastic way for you to make money, build your expertise and authority online, and help more people as an online dietitian. And remember, if you're looking for a remote job as a dietitian, well, you have to create your own. And being able to launch an online course and sell and help people, well, that makes you a remote dietitian by default. Let's get started. My story of building a course all started with in-person courses, and I want to remind you that you can take any opportunities you have with wherever you are. So I was at my clinical job and I had an opportunity to teach courses. I created them in person and delivered them live. I delivered over 70 courses live about nutritional science, ranging from topics of pediatric nutrition to general nutrition. I covered disease states. I taught medical students, dental residents, and pediatric residents about medical nutrition therapy who were going through their schooling to finish residency and their medical school. And so because of that, I'm self-taught, and I learned how to package information into a course and get feedback and improve that process. But I want to remind you that you don't have to create courses in person before you create them online. I just wanted to share my journey with you. So way back when, during clinical, is how I self-taught myself to create all these courses and lesson plans that people would learn from related to nutrition. And I made good money. I got paid really well for delivering these courses, for creating and delivering these courses as a nutrition consultant. So you're probably wondering what topics, and maybe you're wondering what particular topics I taught. So for me, I followed a loose curriculum in terms of competencies that medical residents needed to learn. So it was pretty general, diabetes and nutrition, kind of disease states, and I linked it to how the residents can improve their client outcomes by discussing and integrating nutrition and even a nutritionist with their education and consulting. So in my work, I already had a loose idea of what those topics would be. So I want you to think of wherever you're creating a course, think about what people want to learn about and what would benefit them. If you're thinking about being an online dietitian, that can feel overwhelming because the ideas and topics are endless, right? In my scenario, I was helping medical residents. So obviously medical nutrition therapy and anything related to that made sense. So I want to ask you what nutrition topic would make sense for you and for who your ideal client is. If you're not sure, you can just start with that basic intro to nutrition course, and then you can go from there. Remember, the topics are endless. You can talk about gut health, chronic disease such as diabetes, renal insufficiency, or anything kidney related. You can talk about life cycle nutrition such as growth for infants, toddlers, school-age kid, anything in the realm of pediatrics. You can also talk about pregnancy nutrition and talk about sports nutrition. And within sports, there's endurance athletes. There's also different types of athletes. So you can talk about, if you want to even do a specific sport, you can talk about combat nutrition. So really the options are endless, right? But just think about what topic within these categories would make the most sense to you and to your ideal client. Another topic that I really like is cultural nutrition. So you can think about nutrition related to a particular culture and create a course on that. Now, the next thing you want to do is think about a course outline. Now, when you're looking at building a course as an online dietitian, I don't want you to overcomplicate the topics or the process. An outline, now we've all done an outline. I know I had to do a ton of outlines in school. Just getting something out there that's pretty simple. We all know this stuff. We went to school. We have a degree in nutrition. Master's degree. A lot of us, if you've already completed your dietetic internship and you've already gotten continuing education credits, you're absolutely capable of creating a course on various nutrition topics. So an outline, as pictured here, consists of 3 main topics and 1 subtopic. So here's the outline that you can use, and you can replace this outline idea with whatever topic you want to insert. So if you've got 3 main topics and then 1 subtopic, for example, general nutrition, then you can fill the outline out based on that. You can plug and play if you want to do the outline again for sports nutrition, do the outline again for infant feeding, right? Introducing solids, something like that. You want to follow that same protocol of 3 topics and then the subtopic underneath. All right, so where I give you an outline here, I give you over 70 templates inside of my membership library that you have access to, in addition to live trainings that me and my team teach every single month over at Academy, which is our membership, our month-to-month membership. So I do encourage you to grab the link below and join our membership, where you have access to a lot of outlines and already written ebooks for you that you can launch, and a lot of templates and already written email sequences for you, social media templates, in addition to how to create, craft, and improve your offers, your messaging, and get things set up and grow your dietitian business. And you get support from my team and I on what those nutrition topics look like, so that you can get your course out there sooner. Now, if you like this video, I want you to check out this next video on screen.